Welcome students. Today we'll solve question number 3. Represent the following in the form P by Q. Okay, our first question is 2.3. You have to convert this. It is in decimal form. Okay, you have to convert this into P by Q form. How you'll convert? See, after decimal, how many numbers are there? How many digits are there? 1. So what you'll do? You will divide by 10 for 1. Okay, and this cannot be further divided. So hence this is in the form of P by Q. Next, negative 3.12. After decimal, how many digits are there? 2. So obviously you will divide by 100 and the negative sign will remain as it is. Now this can be further divided. I have broken this into factors 4 into 78 and 4 into 25. You can directly divide. If you are not comfortable with 4, you can go with 2. 2 1 times 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 2 here 50 times, right? Again you can divide 2 7s are 14, 2 8s are 16, and here 2 25s are. But this part, right, the cutting part, do it in rough. Okay, always do it in rough. Then you can write the actual answer here and it will be very neat and tidy. This is very dirty, and even though answer is very good, the examiner won't be impressed. Okay, and will try to cut your marks whenever possible. So this 4 and 4 got cancel and negative 78 by 24. I will not cut this 4 and 4. I will keep this as it is. Okay, just for showing you I have cut this negative 78 by 25. Again for minus 0.715. Now you can see you have, after decimal you have 3 digits, so you will divide this by 1000. Again you can break this into factors, right? 5 into 1 4 3 in 5 years in 5. So after cancel out 5, you'll be remaining with negative 143 by 200. Now 143 is further not divided. Okay, hence this is your answer. 8.146. How many digits after decimal? 3 digits. So we'll divide 8146 by 1000. Hence this can be divided further. So let's take 2 first. Take out 2. 2 4s are 0 7 3. Okay, and 2 500 is 1000. Cancel out 2. 2 and 2 is cancel out. Hence 4073 by 500 is your answer. This cannot be further divided. Hence this is the answer. Okay, now let us solve a different type. Okay, the bar type. What does the bar mean? Repetition of 33. As I have already told you, 0.3 bar or 0.33 bar, both are same. So 0.3333 dot 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 up to infinity. In this particular type of sum, how you will solve? Okay, what you'll do? We'll take, let x equals to 0.3. This term we'll take x dot 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 dot. Okay, then see 3 3 3 after decimal we have 3 continuously, so you can directly take 10x. Okay, multiply by 10, so this 3 will come forward. So what you do, multiply by 10. Now this 3 will come, the decimal will come here. Okay, at this point, so it will become 3.333. Now you can see this part dot 33333 and this part is same, right? This part is same, right? So what we'll do, let us take the first equation 1, let x equals to 0.333, this part equation 1. After multiplying by 10, let this take this equation 2. Now what you do, now subtract equation 2 and 1. Okay, 10x minus x, you'll get 9x. 3.333, 0.333, if you subtract you'll get 3. How? See, after taking out this portion, you will be subtracting this portion completely, so this portion will get removed. Only the remaining part will be 3. Hence 9x equals to 3, x equals to 3 by 9, and dividing by 3 we'll get x equals to 1 by 3. Let us solve one more. 3.42. Okay, so what this means, 3.424242 dot 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 up to infinity. So as it is, let us take, we'll take x, this number as x. Okay, now tell me what you'll take. Will you take 10? Will you take 10 here? Now see, since we have repetition of two digits, right? So we have to take out this first. Okay, and see, after that 424242 is common. So what we'll do, we'll multiply by 100 so that the decimal point comes here. So let us multiply by 100 and the number will come 342.4242. Similarly, take equation 1, equation 2. Now subtract 2 and 1, we get 100 minus 100x minus x, 99x, and 342 minus 3, 339. This 0.42 will get out, cancel out. So only remaining will be 342 minus 3, that is 339. Again further 339 you will be divided by 33. This is divisible by 3. Your answer is 113 by 33. Is it divisible by 3? 3 plus 1 plus 1, 5. 5 is not divisible by 3. So hence this is your answer. Now let us take one more example. Question number 3, I guess. Negative 0.135, 315, 315, 315. Now see, we have repetition of 315. So take x equals to negative 0.315, 315. Now with how much you should multiply? Tell me, with how much you should multiply? Yes, definitely. You have to take this part out, right? 315. So you'll multiply by 1000. Hence, take equation 1, equation 2. Now subtract 2 and 1. 1000 minus x, 999x. Negative 315 minus 0 is minus 315. Negative 315 by 999. Is it further divisible? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 5, 9. Hence this number is divisible by 9. So I have divided this by 3. 105 by 333. Is it divisible by 3? Let us check. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 is divisible by 3. Hence it will further divide. 35 by 111. Is it divisible by 3? 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 is not divisible by 3. Hence this is your answer. Okay. For more updates, subscribe this channel and ring the bell icon for all updates. Okay, we'll get back to you soon. Okay, see you in the next video. Bye bye.